Good morning. Welcome to the bank. My name is Maya. How can I help you today?
Good morning. My name is Daniel. I would like to open a bank account, please.
Of course, Daniel. You have come to the right place. Please have a seat and we can get started right away.
Thank you. I have to be honest, this is my first time doing this, so I'm not really sure what to expect.
That is completely fine. A lot of people feel that way the first time. My job is to make this as easy and clear as possible for you. There is nothing to worry about at all.
That's really good to hear. Thank you.
Before we begin, can I ask what you are mainly planning to use this account for? For example, is it for receiving your salary, for saving money, or just for everyday spending?
Mostly for everyday spending. I just moved here recently and I need somewhere safe to keep my money and to pay for things easily.
That makes perfect sense. In that case, I would recommend starting with a current account. That is the type of account most people use for daily life. You can use it to pay bills, make transfers, and use a debit card for shopping.
A current account? And what is a debit card exactly?
Great question. A debit card is a card linked directly to your account. When you pay with it, the money comes straight out of your account balance. It's different from a credit card where you borrow money and pay it back later.
I see. So with a debit card, I can only spend money that I actually have in my account.
Exactly right. You cannot overspend with a debit card the way you sometimes can with a credit card. It keeps your spending very clear and simple.
That sounds like a good option for me right now.
I think it's a great starting point. Now, to open the account today, I'll need to verify your identity. That just means I need to confirm who you are with some official documents.
Of course. What documents do I need to bring?
You will need a valid photo identification. That could be a passport or a national identity card. And you'll also need proof of address, such as a recent utility bill or a rental agreement showing your current address.
I have my passport with me today, and I have a rental agreement for my apartment. Will those work?
They're perfect. Those are exactly what we need. May I take a look at them?
Yes, absolutely. Here they are.
Thank you, Daniel. I'll just take a moment to check these and make a copy for our records.
No problem at all. Take your time.
Everything looks good. Your documents are all in order. Now, I just need to fill in a short application form with your personal details. I'll guide you through each part, so it's very straightforward.
That sounds good. I was a little worried it might be complicated.
Not at all. It's much simpler than most people expect. We'll go through it together step by step.
That's a relief. Can I ask, will I get my debit card today or do I have to wait?
The card itself usually takes a few days to arrive at your home address for security reasons. However, your account will be active today, and I can set up your online banking access right now so you can start using the account immediately.
Oh, that's better than I expected. So I can use the account online straight away.
Yes, absolutely. You can check your balance, make transfers, and manage everything through our banking app or website. Most of our customers find the app very convenient for daily use.
I've heard that mobile banking is very easy to use these days.
It really is, and our app has some very helpful features, like spending notifications, which send you a message every time a payment goes out of your account. That way, you always know exactly what is happening with your money.
That sounds really useful. I like the idea of being able to track my spending easily.
It's one of the most popular features. Now, one more thing before we complete the form. Is there a minimum deposit required to open the account?
Actually, I was just about to ask you that exact question.
For a standard current account, the minimum opening deposit is quite low. Many accounts can be opened with as little as a small initial transfer or sometimes no deposit at all, depending on the specific account type we choose for you.
That's very helpful to know. I wasn't sure if I needed to bring a large amount of cash today.
Not at all. We can discuss the exact details when we go through the account options together. There are actually a couple of different current account types available, and I want to make sure we choose the one that suits your needs best.
That makes a lot of sense. I'd rather take the time now and understand everything properly than feel confused later.
That's exactly the right approach, Daniel. Understanding your account from the beginning makes everything so much easier going forward. Let me pull up the options on the screen here, and we can go through them one by one. Here you can see the two main current account options we offer. This first one is our standard account. There is no monthly fee, and it includes a debit card and full online banking access.
And what about this second one?
The second option is our premium account. It has a small monthly charge, but it comes with some extra benefits, like travel insurance, a higher interest rate on any balance you keep in the account, and priority customer service.
What does interest rate mean in this case?
Good question. An interest rate is a percentage that the bank pays you for keeping money in your account. So if your account has a good interest rate, your money grows a little over time just by sitting there.
That sounds appealing. But I think for now, the standard account makes more sense for me. I do not need travel insurance yet, and I would rather not pay a monthly fee while I'm just getting started.
That's a very sensible choice. The standard account is a great starting point, and you can always upgrade later if your needs change.
Can I ask about bank charges more generally? Are there other fees I should know about?
Absolutely. It's really important to be aware of these. With the standard account, you won't pay a monthly maintenance fee. However, there are some charges that can apply in certain situations. For example, if you use your card at a cash machine that is outside our network, there may be a small withdrawal fee.
How do I know which cash machines are in your network?
Our app shows you the nearest fee-free cash machines based on your location. It's very easy to find them. As long as you use those, you'll never pay a withdrawal fee.
That's a really practical tip. I'll make sure to use the app for that.
It saves a surprising amount of money over time. Another charge to be aware of is international transfer fees. If you send money abroad, there is usually a small fee and an exchange rate applied to the transfer.
I do send money to my family sometimes. Is there a way to reduce that cost?
There are some third-party services that offer very competitive exchange rates for international transfers. Some customers use those alongside their bank account for international payments specifically. It's worth comparing the costs before you transfer.
That's genuinely useful advice. I didn't expect to learn that today.
Banking is about more than just holding your money. It's about helping you manage it as smartly as possible.
I completely agree. Can I ask about security? I want to make sure my money is safe, especially when I'm using the app.
Of course, security is one of the most important things we take seriously here. Your account is protected in several ways. First, every login to the app requires a unique password and a second step of verification, which we call two-factor authentication.
I've heard that term before, but I was never totally clear on what it means.
It simply means that even if someone knows your password, they can't access your account without a second piece of confirmation, like a code sent to your phone. It adds a very strong extra layer of protection.
That makes me feel much better about using the app regularly.
And if you ever notice any transaction on your account that you don't recognize, contact us immediately. We have a fraud team available around the clock to investigate and protect your account.
Around the clock means 24 hours a day?
Exactly. 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. You're never without support when it comes to your account security.
That's really reassuring. One last question. Should I think about opening a savings account as well, or is that something for later?
It's never too early to think about saving. Even a small amount set aside regularly can make a real difference over time. We do offer savings accounts with higher interest rates than a current account. You could open one today alongside your current account if you like.
I think I would like to do that, even if I start with a very small amount each month.
That's a genuinely smart habit to build from the beginning. Small, consistent savings grow more than most people realize.
You have given me a lot to think about today, in the best possible way.
It's been a real pleasure helping you, Daniel. You've asked all the right questions, and you're walking away with a clear picture of how everything works.
I feel so much more confident than when I walked in this morning. Thank you for being so patient and clear about everything.
That's exactly what we're here for. Your account is now open, your online banking is set up, and your debit card will arrive within 3 to 5 business days.
Perfect. Is there anything else I need to do before I leave today?
Just make sure to download our banking app and complete your profile setup at home. Everything else is taken care of. And if you ever have any questions, don't hesitate to come back in or call our customer service line.
I'll definitely do that. Thank you so much, Maya. You have made this whole process feel very easy.
You're very welcome, Daniel. Welcome to the bank. We're glad to have you with us. Have a wonderful day.
Thank you. You too. Goodbye.
Goodbye, Daniel. Take care.